Good morning, fellow kingdom celebrators. This is the moment of wisdom with Pastor Adekunle Komolafe. Topic of the day: making noise over nothing, part 3. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7. For God gave us a spirit not of fear, but of power and love and self-control. Quote of the day: weakness leaves, pride comes in. Confidence grows, success takes over. Prayer point for today: pray this one. Say, Father, let me not be the architect of my own destruction. Prophetic instruction for today: learn from other people's mistakes. Prophetic declaration: I decree and I declare that you will break barriers and you will break new ground in Jesus' name. Remember that the devil will always stage a fight, but you will always win, because you are not an ordinary person. You are a superstar, and my Father greatly bless you.